Setback coming in to Mamata Banerjee government. Calcutta High Court refuses to recall or states order directing National Human Rights Commission to constitute a committee for examining the complaints filed by persons displaced during the post-poll violence in West Bengal. It's a big setback coming in for Mamata Banerjee. That's the breaking news that is coming in at the moment. The High Court has refused to stay the Human Rights panel probe order. Mamata government sought recall, remember, of the Calcutta High Court order, and this news is coming on the back of that development. The Calcutta High Court refuses to recall, refuses to stay the order directing the National Human Rights Commission to constitute a committee for examining the complaints filed by persons displaced during post-poll violence in Bengal. That's the latest coming in. If we've got Prema with us, let's get Prema to bring our viewers up to speed with the very latest developments. Okay, she's going to be joining us in just about a bit to bring our viewers up to speed with the very latest. This is on West Bengal post-poll violence case, which was being heard in the court at the moment. And the latest coming in from the High Court in Calcutta is that the Calcutta High Court has refused to recall the order. It's refused to stay the order to direct the NHRC, or the National Human Rights Commission, to constitute a committee for examining all the complaints that have been filed by people who are displaced during post-poll violence in West Bengal. Our reporters are going to be joining us in just about a bit for the very latest, but it's indeed a setback that comes for the TMC, for the Mamata government at the moment. Is the West Bengal post-poll violence that we're talking about, and that matter was being heard in the High Court at the moment. This is the latest coming in, and at the moment we're getting live updates that are coming in from the Calcutta High Court. Prema will be able to get us more details on what the High Court order says. In fact, this was to render justice to the victims of West Bengal post-poll violence. And the Kolkata's reporter Prema Rajaram is now joining us for the very latest on this breaking news that is coming in. Prema, undoubtedly this is going to be a big setback coming in for the Mamata government. If you could just walk our viewers through what the Calcutta High Court, I beg your pardon, has observed today.
So a big setback for the state government, which had appealed to the 5-judge bench asking for a recall on the earlier order of June 18th, where the June 18th order had said that the National Human Rights Commission will probe the incidents that have taken place in West Bengal based on the PIL that have been filed, stating that many people had been displaced in wake of the post-poll violence. Now, the state government on their part and political leaders in the ruling party have always maintained that there is no post-poll violence and that the ruling party is not party to any of that violence, and they say that it could be personal enmity or incidents that are being termed as political violence. But now that the state government appealed to the High Court, they were hoping for some relief. It has been a big setback for them that the Calcutta High Court has refused to recall the earlier order. Back to you, Chetty.
Prema, any kind of reactions coming in from the BJP, from the TMC? What are you picking up politically on the back of this development?
The order has just been pronounced and the political reactions are yet to pour in, but definitely a big setback for the state government. For the BJP, of course, they have kept saying that there is post-poll violence. Many of their supporters have been displaced from their houses. They're not able to go back to their houses, because of which this PIL was filed. Now, the court had looked into this PIL and the various affidavits and had stated that the National Human Rights Commission should go and take a look at what is happening in West Bengal, probe the incident, and had also said, as far as the committee is concerned that is constituted to look into this probe, there should be a member from the state legal services authority as well. Now, that is likely to happen now that the Calcutta High Court has said that the earlier order cannot be recalled, and a big setback here to the state government. Back to Chetty.
All right, Prema, thanks for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest development. And remember, we're going to keep going back to Prema because there will be some political reactions that will be following this breaking development that we're reporting at this point of time. Moving on now.